Welcome to this video on how to get your child signed in to khanacademy.org, a math program we're going to be using for students who are in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. This is a program actually they're already familiar with, but this is a quick walkthrough just in case a few of them have forgot. So you're going to go ahead and take yourself and log into khanacademy.org. Once you've done that, you're going to see this screen here, probably that as well. And you're going to go right on over here to your login. So once your child goes here, you click login. This is information that many students already know. If you don't remember it or you do not have it, do not worry. Go ahead and email your teacher or email me. That information will be below in the description of this video, and we can get you your login information. So I'm just going to use a sample student right now. I'm going to use a student 4th grader. And their password, which is pretty universal for most of the school, is going to be Highlandpark with a capital H, and then the room number that your child is in. So everybody has that same password, it just changes by the room number. So again, it's Highlandpark with a capital H, and then the room number, and this student's in room 208. So you're going to go ahead from there and log in. Now, once you log in, the great thing about this program is that it really gives you everything you need to be able to learn. Assignments will already be made, so you don't have to worry about what to do, right? We've already set the whole thing up with a scope and sequence of what your child's going to need. So as soon as they log in, you'll see it says My Assignments. And if it doesn't ever say My Assignments here, which it always does, but just in case, go ahead and just click Assignments. You're going to be just fine. From there, you will see you have a series of assignments to start. And these here, these first ones with the triangles next to them, are videos. So these are videos that are going to help refresh or maybe teach some of the skills someone will need to know. So let's go ahead and click on one of those for now and see what that's all about. And you'll see you'll be able to hear some audio.
Round 24,259 to the nearest hundred. You're going to find that doing these problems are pretty straightforward.
So as you can see here, like for Khan is going to walk you through all of these pieces. It's shown, it's color coded. He does a lot of the drawings here, and it gives you an opportunity to kind of learn something through a video. Now, once watching the videos, or even if your child is feeling really comfortable about a skill set with that, you can go ahead and work on the assignments themselves. Now, those assignments are shown by these stars right here. So these are going to be like the assignment parts where they're doing the work. So these first two videos will be teaching, and then here is where your child will do some of the work. So we'll give you a quick example of that. So as you click on there, you're going to see you're going to get a series of questions coming up. So here it says round 703 to the nearest 100. So you can go ahead and enter what you have. So you enter that down, you go down here and click check. You will get immediate feedback. So if things look well, it will say good work, you got it, onward. It even makes a little bling sound. And then you will click on that and move on. Now, if you struggle during a skill, no worries. That's the great thing about this program, is it's going to give you the opportunity to reteach a skill or remind you. So let's say here around 954 to the nearest 100, and this is something I just can't. Let's see, I'll try 900, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to check it. Again, there you go. Not quite. No worries. This is what I love about this program, is that if you look right here, you can see watch a video or use a hint. So I'm going to click on that, and here are some videos like you saw before that might remind your child of what they need to be doing. Or if they prefer to read it and look at it themselves, they can click on Get a Hint, where it will walk through some steps on how to do that skill. So here I'm going to go ahead and see the second. It's kind of walking me through, and oh yeah, okay, now I remember. Since 954 is here, it's closer to 1,000, so that rounds to 1,000. Go down and check. I got it. I move on. So the great thing is you always have the opportunity to work through all of this and learn the skills that need to be learned, and then walk through each assignment and get the immediate feedback. After you finish a certain section, it will give you a percentage of what they got on one of those star assignments. So once you walk through one of these after answering all the questions at the end, it will tell you what your percentage is, and it may encourage you to retake it or watch a video or to move on because you've learned. So this is what Khan Academy is all about. It's a wonderful program. Every account for every student in our school is already set up with the assignments that they need to be working on. So again, if you need information on how to log in, please email myself or your homeroom teacher, and we will be able to get you that information. And we really encourage that you'd probably sit down and have your child work on this. I'd say at least 30 minutes a day, at least. 45 minutes would be great, but if you could get 30, that would at least help them continue to learn and feel on top of the skills they're doing for their grade level. So again, any questions, feel free to reach out, and thank you so much. Make sure you check out the other videos on how to log in to extramath.org, which is for 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, and that's fluency practice with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Thank you.